Dear students, in last lecture we have studied first formula for numerical integration, that was trapezoidal rule, and by that formula integration from x0 to xn of y dx is given by h by 2 in bracket y0 plus y suffix n plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus up to y suffix n minus 1. Now today we solve some examples on this trapezoidal formula. Now take first example. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx from the data. Now data is given values of x and corresponding values of f of x. Values of x are from 0 to 1 and values of f of x are given from 0.1 to 1.1. Now integration is given by integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to h by 2 in bracket. Now apply here trapezoidal formula. First value of y is denoted by y0. So y0 equal to 0.1 and last value of y is y suffix 5. 1.1 is y suffix 5. And then corresponding values of x and y are given also name. x1 is 0.2, x2 is 0.4, x3 is 0.6, x4 is 0.8 and x5 is 1. Corresponding values of y are f of x are y1 is 0.108, y2 is 0.164 and up to 1.1. Now by using trapezoidal formula, integration given by h by 2 in bracket first value plus last value and plus 2 times all values, remaining values, second onwards up to last but 1, y suffix n minus 1. Now replace values of y0, y1 up to y suffix 5 and calculate this value. It is equal to 0.36. So integration of f of x is 0.36. Similarly, take next example. Evaluate integration from -1 to +1 of y dx, and again data is given, values of x and values of y are given. Now values of x are from -1 to +1 and corresponding values of y are 1 to 3 and value of h, interval of differencing, is 0.25. In early example interval of differencing was 0.2, here it is 0.25. Now first value of y denoted by y0 and last value of y denoted by y suffix 8, that is first value and last value, and in between these are y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 and y7. Then use integration by trapezoidal formula. Integration from -1 to 1 y dx becomes h by 2 in bracket first value plus last value 1 plus 3 and plus 2 times all remaining values, and if this is calculated gives 2.5687. so this is integration of f of x. And last example, evaluate integration from 1 to 2 1 upon 1 plus x cube dx. Now we will observe that this function is not integrable easily, or actually not integrable. Then to find integration we apply approximate integration or numerical integration. Now take y equal to given function 1 upon 1 plus x cube. First value of x is denoted by x0 and last value of x is 2, and we take h is equal to 0.1, interval of differencing is 0.1. Then prepare one data table. Values of x are from 1 up to 2 and corresponding values of y are calculated from this function 1 upon 1 plus x cube. Replace x by 1, use 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. Replace x by 1.1 and calculate corresponding values of y. So these are corresponding values of y, and applying same formula, integration given by h by 2 in bracket first value plus last value y0 plus y10 and plus 2 times all remaining values from y1 up to y suffix n. Now replace all these values from this table and calculate that use integration equal to 0.2547.